At Bill Harris Dealerships, we believe in providing our customers with the best protection for their vehicles. That's why we use Cilajet. This aerospace-inspired sealant offers exceptional defense against environmental contaminants like bird droppings, tree sap, acid rain, and UV rays. With Cilajet, your car's paint will have a stunning mirror-like finish that lasts for years, and it also makes cleaning a breeze as dirt and grime slides right off. Plus, it's eco-friendly and safe for all surfaces. By choosing Cilajet, you're investing in the long-term beauty and value of your vehicle. At Bill Harris Dealerships, we trust Cilajet to keep your ride in pristine, showroom condition because your car deserves the best.